Hi guys, it's me Mike, and I was gone for a lot of time. And no, I didn't make all the videos. I let you down. That was stupid. But anyway, now I'm back, and now I'm gonna play today the nature play. The natural play is basically you have to find a hamster, cat, bird, and a dog. So let's get going. Oh crap! Okay. Hey, hamster. Hamster is the bestest way you can find them. So, hamster, I see you. Say, come out, come out, come out, come out, come out, come out. How about? Seen him. Maybe it's easy to find him, but to show him I really find him is hard. Hey, see? So there was the hamster. You can give it up. So let's find the bird and the dog and the hand. So see, there's the dog over there. So and the bird was. I actually picked up the easy because the very hard. You have to go to Africa because that was really hard. In Africa, you have to find tiger, kangaroo, I don't know how to fuck, lion, and the snake. So that's why I cannot see them. Oh, there's a bird. Yeah, bird found. So now we have to find a cat. Mm. Hmm. Where is the freaking pussycat? Yeah, pussycat. Yeah, pussycat. Oh crap. Wait a minute. And I'm back. Okay. I open the window so I can get easier to film. Crap. This is really hard. There isn't a cat a mile over here. There's freaking birds away here, but they're not a cat. See, humans. But there isn't hats. Cat, somewhere a cat. Come on. Balls. I thought it would be easier, but it's making me harder. Come on. Oh. God damn it. Is that the cat? Oh, here he is in the bush. I see him down there in the bush. So, anyway, guys, thank you again for watching. Hope you enjoyed this nature feel. So, anyway, guys, see you dudes later. Bye.